ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka buy admission ka badunatam but she's pa percent ka jinyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Santanu Thakur Menteri ke Sarkar India haka khat artari ujilio arja arpunrio habakli halor kijing e ke baka Bharatiya Janata Party kamat haka baya dei baka jingla ban so thiet haka ni gajilla ulaong basuki kipat ba kin sedang ban sngotu habakran sekilat pathai khubor Santanu ulaong ba Kumba kipat ba kilasanya haka Congress ke BJP ru kadang persyang ban pen sngotu sekipat ba haki babon kiliang. Nalor kita ulaong ru ba Kumba ke BJP kalala ban so thiet ha West Bengal kumta suki kan sala ban so thiet ha kaniga jilla ru kumjo.
No. This is a different thing because they are long time live in Congress, so they will actually late to come to BJP is because their trust is in Congress. So I think generally. Gradually they will be shifted in the BJP sector. So we are trying to make them believe that Modi government is a well performer. They are beside the people. If you understand, if you get the benefit from them, then it is better. We will be follow to them what they are working, what is their difficulties, what is their problem. We are going to solve in future. Yeah, it will be possible. It will be possible after working because I think our BJP workers doing well here, and they are trying to build a big BJP support by the state sides. I think by the party also. So I think it will be better in future. Actually in West Bengal also the same position at a time. After that. BJP make them believe that BJP government is a NDA government is a trustable part. So when it will be come over in here, I mean in Meghalaya, that time BJP will grow. Must look how BJP working in the nationwide. They are very faster and working in every sector. If Meghalaya get the touch of that, obviously BJP will form here. I think a little bit lack of that. What I say, it's not a lack of by our workers. It is a lack of communication. I think so. No, actually, what is the is lowland there? That is the West Bengal. So geographically, it's easier to move everywhere, and people get the information what actually did by the Modi government, and therefore. In West Bengal, BJP government formed the government. I think these areas geographically little bit difficulty to move, roaming around. So I think this is maybe a one kind of challenge for that. In one time, that is not possible to get the result in every state. Generally, BJP will well done. In Meghalaya also in near future, I think so.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya